What if AI could help you build a real source of income in 2026? Not by pressing a button and getting rich overnight, but by using AI to solve problems that people and businesses already pay for. AI is changing how we create content, research information, automate work, and run businesses. And if you combine AI with a useful skill, you can turn that combination into a real opportunity. Here are 7 realistic ways to make money with AI in 2026. Number 7. AI-assisted content creation. Businesses need social media posts, videos, emails, blogs, presentations, and advertisements. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, create drafts, write captions, and organize content much faster. For example, you could help a small business create its monthly social media content. AI handles some of the repetitive work. You handle the strategy, creativity, and final quality. That's the key. Don't sell the AI, sell the result. Number 6. AI-powered freelancing. You don't need to be an AI engineer. You can combine AI with skills you already have, such as video editing, graphic design, writing, research, or presentation design. For example, a video editor can use AI to create transcripts, generate captions, and speed up repetitive editing tasks. The client isn't paying you because you used AI, they're paying for the finished result. And that's where the real value is. Number 5. AI research services. Businesses need to understand competitors, customers, markets, and industry trends. AI can help organize and summarize large amounts of information much faster. For example, you could help a business analyze customer reviews and identify the problems customers mention most often. But AI isn't always accurate, so your job is to verify important information and turn it into useful insights. Number 4. AI automation services. Many businesses still waste hours on repetitive tasks, emails, spreadsheets, reports, customer inquiries, lead follow-ups. AI and automation tools can connect these processes and reduce manual work. For example, a business could automatically categorize incoming customer inquiries and send them to the right person. You could help design that workflow and maintain it. You don't always need advanced coding skills. You need to understand the business problem first. Number 3. AI-powered digital products. You can use AI to help create products that can be sold multiple times. Templates, guides, prompt libraries, spreadsheets, educational resources, or workflow systems. The important part is choosing a specific audience and solving a specific problem, because generic AI products are easy to create. Useful products are much harder to create, and that's what makes them valuable. Number 2. Building an AI-powered service business. Instead of offering one small service, you can combine several AI capabilities into one solution. For example, you could help small businesses create content, manage customer reviews, research competitors, and automate repetitive tasks. But don't simply say, "I provide AI services." Be specific. For example, I help small businesses automate lead follow-ups. That's a clear problem with a clear solution. And finally, number 1, building your own AI-powered product or business. This is potentially the biggest opportunity, but also the hardest. You could build a specialized AI tool, chatbot, automation system, or software product for a specific industry. You don't necessarily need to build everything from scratch. Modern AI APIs and no-code tools make it easier to create useful products with smaller teams. But always start with the problem. Find something people struggle with. Build a simple solution, test it, improve it, then scale. And here's the most important lesson. AI itself isn't the business, AI is the leverage. So don't ask, which AI tool will make me rich? Ask, what problem can I solve better, faster, or cheaper with AI? Choose one skill, learn how AI can improve it, build something useful, and focus on creating real value. Because in the AI era, knowing every AI tool isn't the advantage. Knowing how to use AI to solve real problems is. If you want to learn more about AI careers, skills, and opportunities, subscribe to Megna Growth Hub. Because the AI era is just getting started.